truly believe that God made us for each other and put our lives on these paths so we could end up together.
We were meant for each other, and you were going to be my wife. Alex, I would like to start by saying how grateful I am for you. I can't fathom my life without my best friend by my side, my rock, my confidant.
Danto. You can't cry at the first word. You're my best friend, my favorite person to be around, and now my husband.
No star can shine like you.
The truth is, I've been writing these vows for years because I knew I was going to marry you the second I met you. 2 months in, at only 19 years old, I knew you were it for forever for me. When I look back on these almost 8 years together, I can't help but recognize God's hand in it all. And even in the hard moments, it's been obvious that God was there too.
While writing this, I thought all of these times we both, or one of us, was going through a tough time, and every single one of them is highlighted with a happy moment at the end, because we loved each other.
Because as He took us through them, I felt more appreciative of you, more supported by you, and more sure that I needed to be with you forever.
I love you with all my heart in a way I didn't think it was possible. A way that I have only dreamed of loving someone, something that when you grow up you hope you can get close to because there's no way you'll get that lucky. And I did, and let me tell you, it's awesome.
A million miles dissolves between us.
You're the most supportive person I've ever met. You make me feel empowered and respected. And although I always tell you I couldn't do any of it without you, you make me feel like I truly can. In the mind of this overthinker, you bring me peace and safety. You have a gift of making everyone you meet love you. And it's not because you're super cute and ridiculously funny, even though you are, but it's because you're never afraid to show everyone your true self. So from now until forever, I promise to be your best friend and your safe space.
To always prioritize us over anyone or anything.
To make you feel heard, loved, respected.
To never go to bed angry.
To never forget that we're on the same team.
To be the man that you need and you deserve.
Getting to be your wife is an honor. I love you forever. Hi!
We made it through. Let's go.
We did it!
Woo. Thank God this is once in a lifetime.
It is my great pleasure to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Amigo.
Rafa and Monica, I could not ask for better in-laws. Gracias por criar al hombre de sus sueños. Y gracias por darle la bienvenida a Alex a tu familia con los brazos abiertos.
Keep the dream alive. Keep the dream alive.
Now, Santi, I have a question for you. Do you remember what you gave me when you first arrived?
Keep the dream alive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every day, every day.
You told me this was the scarf that people wear when they run with the bulls, and it was worn for protection. I have kept this scarf all these years, Santi.
Every day, every day, every day.
Are you ready?
Keep the dream alive. Keep the dream alive. Keep my eyes wide. Keep the dream alive. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I really couldn't have picked a better person for my sister or a better brother-in-law for myself. Thank you for loving my sister the way that you do.
Keep the dream alive. Keep the dream alive. Keep the dream alive. Keep my eyes wide. Keep the dream alive. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I must say how fortunate Santi is. He's with you.
You gained a wife, and Alex gained a husband. I've gained the reassurance that my daughter is in good hands.
To Mr. and Mrs. Amigo.
Viva Los Lobos!